What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add certificates to your LinkedIn profile. If you've completed an online course, training, or earned a professional certification, adding it to your LinkedIn profile is a great way to showcase your skills and boost your credibility. Start by going to your LinkedIn homepage and clicking on your profile photo or name to open your profile. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Add Profile section button, which is usually located just below your headline. Click on it, and then go to the Recommended tab and select Licenses and Certifications. A form will appear asking you to enter the details of your certificate. Fields marked with an asterisk are required. Fill in the name of the certificate, issuing organization, and if applicable, the issue date and expiration date. If your certificate doesn't expire, simply check the box that says, "This credential does not expire." You also have the option to enter a credential ID and credential URL if your certification has a unique verification link. Once you've filled out the basic information, you can also attach a file or media. Click on Add Media and choose Upload. Browse your computer and select the certificate file. After uploading, you will see a preview thumbnail. Click Apply and then Save. At this point, LinkedIn will give you the option to create a post about your new certification. If you want to share it with your network, click Next, write a short post, and click Post. Otherwise, you can skip this step. Now, scroll down your profile, and under the Licenses and Certification section, you will see your new certificate added. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.